As the sun rises over this fertile ground, the harvest begins. These potatoes, fresh from the earth, are ready for the journey to your table.
From this rich, dark soil come the finest potatoes on earth, hand-picked with care, ensuring premium quality every time.
The harvest has been bountiful this year. These potatoes are now making their way from the rich soil to your table.
The journey begins here. Thousands of pounds of the finest potatoes arrive daily, ready to be
In this bustling intake zone, these powerful machines and their skilled operators move thousands of pounds of potatoes every.
Harnessing the power of vibration, the machine separates the soil from the crop, a crucial step in the process. Blasted with surgical precision, the mud is stripped away, showcasing the raw beauty of the potato in ultra-high definition.
Here inside the tumbler, a powerful cascade of water cleanses over 1,000 potatoes every minute. Here at the factory, every single potato is inspected by hand. These workers are the last line of defense against.
This is the heart of the operation. Rotating blades make short work of the tough skins, processing hundreds of pounds an hour with stunning efficiency.
Here we see the mechanical precision, ensuring a constant flow of freshly peeled potatoes straight to the processing line. This state-of-the-art laser technology scans the potatoes, analyzing their precise size and shape in millimeters. Watch closely as the blades achieve hyperspeed. The force is so intense, it generates a visible shockwave, slicing these potatoes.
The blanching process is crucial. The potatoes are flash steamed to soften the texture and lock in that fresh flavor before they move on to the fryer. This is where the magic happens. Our freshly cut potatoes hit the vibrating conveyor, and these powerful air knives
Plunged into the turbulent golden oil, these slices are rapidly becoming the perfect, crispy snack we all crave.
Bathed in golden oil and carried by the churning conveyor, these chips are a testament to the perfect fry. Crispy, hot, and utterly delicious.
Watch as the high-pressure air knives shear away the excess oil, a vital step in preparing these red-hot chips for the next stage of development.
And here, the magic happens. The finest spices embrace the crispy chips, ensuring every bite is...
This is where the magic happens. Our signature flavor, locking in that irresistible taste you crave.
Here at the facility, our team meticulously evaluates the crispness of every single chip coming off the line.
Using high-speed vision, the system scans every chip with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring unparalleled quality control. Using high-speed vision, the system scans every chip with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring unparalleled quality control. But when a flaw is detected, this high-speed system instantly targets the defective chip, ejecting it with a precise pneumatic blast.
Look at this mesmerizing cascade. These golden chips are moving at peak velocity, ensuring perfect freshness in every bag.
The ascent is complete. Thousands of golden chips now move seamlessly into the packaging phase, ready to be sealed.
Utilizing advanced radial technology, these multi-head weighers can measure over 100 portions of chips every single minute.
This state-of-the-art vertical packing machine can process over 100 bags of chips every minute, ensuring maximum freshness and efficiency.
Using intense heat and pressure, these polished chrome bars create a perfect seal, ensuring maximum crispness and flavor.
With pinpoint accuracy, these machines ensure that every bag of chips is packed perfectly for distribution. And just like that, the high-speed folding mechanism snaps the cardboard into shape, ready for the automated sealing process.
With breathtaking speed, these pneumatic arms handle the delicate bags, showcasing the future of automated packaging right before your eyes.
Perfectly packed and ready to go. We give it a firm seal to ensure maximum freshness from our factory to your family.
Look at this incredible speed. The tapes seal over 200 cartons every minute, ensuring that every chip stays fresh from the factory to your table.
From the production line straight to these pallets, we handle millions of bags of chips annually right here in the warehouse. From the production line to these towering shelves, getting these potato chips stored efficiently is a massive undertaking, handled with expert care.
This facility produces millions of bags of potato chips every single day, ready to be shipped across the nation. It's an incredible sight.
Every morning, the process begins. A symphony of logistics, ensuring millions of bags of chips reach their destination.
Every day, these men move thousands of pounds of product, ensuring the nation's favorite snacks hit the shelves on time.
With a haul this big, you can't be too careful. Just a few cranks on the ratchet, and these chips aren't going anywhere.